HardieTrim is a fiber cement product. And with the Color Plus systems we use, you can get it in different colors that are really common for where people want to accent their trim. But that product has got a 30-year product warranty. And what I always say is manufacturers put warranties on products they hope they never have to pay out on, right? They do a lot of research and development to develop the item, and then it's good for them if it lasts long time, right? And even they want it to last, of course, even longer than it's warranted for. So a 30-year trim product to me says it'll last probably double that, but 30 years is a long time, and that fiber cement product is a really good. Bugs don't get in, it won't burn, so fire's not an issue for it. Wood rot's not an issue for it. It's a fabulous product for trim. Vinyl for trim and that kind of thing can be pretty flimsy, and it can warp, and it's subject to fade, because it's basically a plastic product, and it'll get hot and burn just like plastic will. So not always the best choice. Hardie, since it won't burn, it's going to be a little bit more expensive of a product, but it can come in like a textured, so it looks like real wood or like cedar was used for the trim product, or smooth, depending on your preference. It's very paintable, but you get the Color Plus system where basically sky's the limit. If you can't find a color in the Color Plus system you like, then that color probably doesn't exist. I mean, it's hundreds and hundreds you can choose from. It's a great choice, and then once it's applied again, fire's not going to get in there, bugs aren't going to get in there. It's going to last a long time, and so you'll never have to worry about it.